अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन पीजीसी क्लासेस। डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ प्लांट्स को हम डिस्कस करें। डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ प्लांट्स में हमारी आउटलाइन है वायरसेस, बैक्टीरिया, साइनोबैक्टीरिया, अलगी, फंजाई, ब्रायोफाइट्स, स्टीटोफाइट्स, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंड एंजियोस्पर्म्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्लेमाइडोमोनास को स्टडी करेंगे। क्लेमाइडोमोनास इट इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ द algae from the division of the chlorophyta. So this is the structure of the Chlamydomonas, in which all eukaryotic organelles such as the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and a well-developed nucleus is present in the body of the Chlamydomonas. First of all, we discuss about the occurrence of the Chlamydomonas. So occurrence is the fresh water and it is also the free swimming alga and also present in the standing water, ponds, pools, rainwater and damp soil. Next is the structure of the plant body. Plant body is the thallus, in which body is not differentiated into root, stem and the leaves. And the two flagella are also present at its interior sides. It is usually oval or oblong in shape. The cell organelles are mitochondria, dictyosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and neuromotor apparatus are also present. It is a structure of the Chlamydomonas. It is an oval or oblong shaped body. At its anterior side, two flagella are present and two contractile vacuole for the osmoregulation. Eye spot is red in color and detect the light intensity. Then mitochondria is also present for the ATP synthesis. Next, the cell wall is the outer covering of the body, which is made by the cellulose, and the thylakoid membrane also present in the body. Next, the reserve food material is in the form of the starch grain, and the starch grain is present in the pyrenoids. Next is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is the cup-shaped body of the Chlamydomonas, in which all the photosynthetic pigments are present. Golgi apparatus are also present, and the nucleus is well developed and centrally located in the Chlamydomonas body. First of all, we discuss about the cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost covering of the protoplasm. It is a thin and transparent layer and made of the cellulose material. Next is the contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuoles are present at its anterior sides in the cytoplasm and help in the osmoregulation. Next is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a cup-shaped body and also the sac-like structure which enclose all the matrix of the cytoplasm, which is called the stroma. All the chlorophyll pigments are present in the chloroplast, and pyrenoids are also present in the chloroplast, and pyrenoids contain the reserve food material, which is the starch grains. Next is the eye spot. Eye spot is a single eye spot towards outer face is present. It is red in color and detect the intensity of light and also detect the direction of the light. Next is the flagella. Flagella, two long whip-like flagella present, and microfibrils arrangement is the 9+2 in the flagella, and it is help in the locomotion, so it is called the locomotory organ. Then its nucleus, which is centrally located and well-developed nucleus, is present in the body of the Chlamydomonas. It also have one nucleolus, which is the central body of the nucleus. Next is the reproduction of the Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas reproduces both the process by the asexual reproduction and by the sexual reproduction. First of all, we discuss about the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is carried through the zoospore formation. First of all, the parent cell goes to the rest condition and it reabsorbs its flagella. Contractile vacuole disappears and the protoplast withdraw from the cell wall. The cytoplasm, chloroplast and the nucleus divided along a longitudinal plane into two daughter protoplasms. So this is the asexual reproduction in the Chlamydomonas body. Then is the process of the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is carried through the three methods, which is the isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Isogamy is the condition in which the gametes are of the same size and the shape. Anisogamy is the condition in which the gametes are of the unequal size and the shape, and the oogamy is the advanced form of the anisogamy. This is the sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So this is the overall cycle of the reproduction of the Chlamydomonas. Asexual reproduction take place by the zoospore formation. First of all, the parent body goes to the rest condition and then it absorb its flagella. Then it's going to the mitosis division and produce many small spores which are called the zoospores. After the bursting of the Chlamydomonas body, it release from the parent body and individually pass out its progeny from its parent cell to its daughter cells. Next is the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction that take place through the two opposite gametes, which are as if positive gametes or as in negative gametes, and also act as a male gametes and female gametes. They are come too close to each other and then fusion is going on in the gametes, so the zygote is produced in the fusion. Then the zygote is goes into the zygospores. Zygospores goes to the meiosis division, and this division is produce the next individual daughter cells of the Chlamydomonas. So this is the sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction of the Chlamydomonas. That's all about the Chlamydomonas. Thank you, students, and Allah.